I'm home.
Oh, yay, hope you brought dinner home. Yeah, I'm starving.
I got something new from the store today.
What is it, Dad?
Try it and see.
Looks appetizing. I can really taste the beef chunks and gravy in it.
Yeah, it's 100% complete and nutritious diet for dogs.
This is the best dinner ever.
Nothing but the best for my family.